Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue about the next topics of Java. The next topic that we are going to learn is inheritance. Inheritance is a process of acquiring the properties or the members of one class to another class. Inheritance represents the is a relationship which is also known as parent-child relationship. Now let us see this in detail. This inheritance can also be considered as your parent-child relationship. That is, if you're going to relate it in your day-to-day life, you can compare it to your parents and yourself. Parent class are your parent, child class is you. Inheritance represents is a relationship. It is also called as is a relationship. The terms that are used in inheritance are class. We are going to use it everywhere. Subclass or child class. The smaller class will be called as the subclass or the child class. Superclass or the parent class. Reusability. Programmatically, we can achieve inheritance by using the extends keywords. That is, if you are going to write a program and in your program you want to tell that this child class belongs to this parent class, then you have to use the extends keyword. Now let us see it in more detail. Syntax of Java inheritance. First you're going to write the class as usual. Then you have to write first the subclass name. Then you have to write the extends keyword as told. And then you have to write the superclass name. Now for example, if I'm going to write class child extends parent. If you have a parent class, then you have to tell this child class belongs to this parent class. Then you have to write it something like that. What are the uses of inheritance? You can use the code again and again. That is, if you have written the code in your parent class, no need to write the same code again in your child class. You just have to write extends keyword and this child class will have the code that is there in your parent class. We can avoid code redundancy. Same thing. Avoiding the similar lines of code in your program. Can achieve generalization. Now, what do you mean by generalization is if this is the parent and this will have multiple children. So if the code is written here, no need to write the same code again 4 times. You can just tell it is extended from this. So this is called as generalization. We are generalizing these 4 kids as one parent. That is, they are the kids from this parent. We are not telling that this person is the child of this parent. We are just generalizing that all these 4 belong to this one. So this is called as generalization. If you go upwards, it is called generalization. We can directly achieve polymorphism. Again, polymorphism, we are going to see it in our further sections. When you're just going to learn about polymorphism, just relate it to the previous topics where all you have polymorphism, you will understand the concept. Let us see a program here. You have a class card which has variables card name, CVV, name, expiry date, balance. It has one, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 variables and one method is there which is called as swipe. This card, there are 2 types of cards. One is the credit card and one is debit card. So what we have done here is it is the card itself. Credit card is also a card, debit card is also a card. So generalization, that is card. So we have written a swipe method here inside this card. Now credit card extends card. Now when you're going to give credit card extends card, these 5 variables of your card plus a method of this card will be extended here. No need to write them again here. They are just understood. When you are going to see extends keyword and the superclass, we have to understand that, okay, with these variables and this method, we have to add these variables and the method of the supermost class or the parent class. So you have int credit limit void pay bill. Now int credit limit is also one variable plus I have the variables of the card which are 5. So in total you have 6 variables in here and 2 methods. Again, the next one, class debit card extends card. int balance, you have only one variable which is already existing here in your class card, but only difference is that the data type here is int and here is double. So it is going to just replace the double with int. Let us see this here. Public static void main. When you have created a new object of the credit card class, you have taken cc.balance. Do you have any balance thing here? No, but it is there in your supermost class. So I have taken the balance. Card number. Do you have any card number? No, but it is there in the supermost class. So I have taken the card number. CVV. It is there in the supermost class. Expiry date. Again in the supermost class. Name in the superclass. Credit limit, that is there, we have that is we have initialized it here, which is there in your subclass or child class. Swipe, this method, it is present in your superclass, and payable, it is present in your subclass. So it is going to give you the output whatever you have asked for. So this is how you can use superclass and subclass. This is all for today's video. For the next video, stay tuned. Bye bye.